Best VPN for CapCut in iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Let us now discuss a few best VPN for CapCut on your iPhone. Firstly, go ahead and open App Store and tap on the search bar and you can then search for NordVPN. Firstly, as NordVPN is excellent and has privacy and security features, is a huge global server network and has fast connections for social apps, videos, and browsing, and it is great cross-platform support. The next you can try is ExpressVPN, as this is extremely fast, secure, and user friendly. It is great for streaming and apps like CapCut and works in many countries with thousands of servers, and it also has 30-day money back guarantee to try risk free. The next VPN that you can try is Surfshark. It is affordable with unlimited devices. It has strong speeds and privacy, and it is easy iOS app and has reliable connections. Next VPN that you can try is Proton VPN. It is strict no logs privacy policy. It has unlimited data on free tier and is good for basic use and privacy first users. The next VPN that you can try is Privado VPN. It is a Swiss-based privacy and strong encryption VPN. It has unlimited speed and decent server locations, and it has good mix of features and ease of use. So these were 5 best VPN for CapCut on your iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries.